Hello students. Now this is the last section, section 5 of part B, where 38, 39, 40, 3 questions of 5 marks each. So total section is of 15 marks. And in these 3 questions of 5 marks, you will get one networking question, one MySQL and one binary file question. So we will solve this question. Already you have seen in the last videos all the different sections of part A 1 and 2, part B 3 and 4. So I think it is very easy. You have gone through all the questions. So it will be very easy for you to score 100 out of 100. And if you solve these type of questions, so I will try to make many more sample papers, 2, 3, 4 similar type of sample papers, and I will share with you all the videos so that you can prepare well before your exams. So today we will start solving this last section. So in this last section, you are having the questions. Already these questions have been given by CBSE and the answers also are given. So you can see here the answers. Now, the first question of section B, section 3, that is the last section. These 38, 39, 40, you can see here all these are 5 marks question. So the first question is, MyPace University is setting up its academic blocks at Naya Raipur and is planning to set up a network. The university has 3 academic blocks and 1 HR Human Resource Center as shown in the diagram. Now you can see here one diagram is given with 4 blocks. Now the distance between the blocks and the number of computers will be given, and you all know what all questions are asked. The first question will be where to place the server, and you all know you will directly go and see where maximum number of computer is given, like here in HR center you can see here HR center maximum number of computer. So you will see the question where to place, like the first question is suggest the most suitable place to install the server of the university with suitable reason. So wherever the maximum number of computers are there, we are placing the server. You can see the answer here. It is given by CBSE. See here the answer. Most suitable place to install the server is HR center. Only HR center also if you write, and then justification you can write below that as this center has the maximum number of computers, that is 115 is the maximum among all the blocks. So that is the answer. Now the next one is suggest an ideal layout for connecting these block centers for the wired connectivity. This also already we have solved, that star topology we will draw for layout. Now layout, you know that whichever is having the maximum number of computers, that you can make the server and the rest are client. So here HR center you put an in between and then connect all the 3 departments with it. So this is a star topology where maximum number of computers, whichever department is there, that we will make the server and the rest the client. Now the next question is, which device will you suggest to be placed installed in each of these blocks to efficiently connect all the computers within these blocks? Now you all know switch we are using to connect all the computers in a block. Wherever in a block more than one computer is there, we will write here switch. Next is suggest the placement of a repeater in the network with justification. Repeater already we have studied that if it is signals are weak, then 50 meters distance more than that we will place a repeater. Otherwise 70 meters distance we will see. So here you can see between the departments, whichever department. So directly you have to write the answer that here they have given the answer that repeater may be placed when the distance between 2 buildings is more than 70 meters. So only this much also you can write, or you can write like in bus we will simply use law to business. Minimum distance we will try to use law to business. Then this side law to technology we will use, and or the least one we will start with. So technology to HR we will use 15 meters. Then we will use technology to business 30 meters, and then we will use HR. Business already you have connected, so this is not required. Rest is law 1, so law minimum distance, so law to business 40. So directly with this only you have connected. You don't require the repeater here in this case. So only you can write here that repeater is normally placed where distance is more than 70 meters to amplify the signal. We use the repeater. Now the next question is, the university is planning to connect its admission office in Delhi, which is more than, now this is a WAN connection because wide area networking, wherever it will be below 9 to 10, like locally in offices you are connecting, so local area, in schools local area, 10 kilometers, all right, in city metropolitan area, and wide area will be more than 10 kilometers. So here the distance is too much, so obviously wide area networking, you can write here WAN, as the distance is more than the range of LAN and MAN. Clear? So these answers are already given. Just go through the answers, and similar type of questions only will be asked. Only they will change the case study. You see the total number of computers, whichever department is more, that you will write in server. And to connect all the computers, we know switch is used. So similar type of questions are there. Now next is your SQL 5 marks. Here one table will be given to you. 2 tables are given to you, and select query, 5 select queries are asked. Now you can see here in the answer, all are select queries. So obviously if you write select, half marks for select and the column name you can get. So it is very easy. Only wherever all information is written, you have to write star, and wherever they have given what to display, that you have to write from the table. Then from the table name, so this already in a separate video I have solved all the MySQL queries, as well as you have seen how to solve. So select all the column names, and if it is all, then star we will write from table name. Where if any condition is given, then we will use where clause. Otherwise, like here, order by means if it is ascending or descending, then we will use order by. And if they ask you to group, then we will use group by. So here you can see all the questions. First question using where, second question using where, third order by, fourth one also where, and the fifth one is a report where you have to calculate and you have to use a expression here, formula here. So similar type of questions will be there. So select all, select star from teacher where department equals to history. History will be in quotes, either single quote or double quote. Then select name from teacher where department equals to maths. Now you see the spelling here, mathematics, and gender equals to female, F. So here F is given, M and F is given. So you will write here F. See the answer also. Department equals to mathematics and gender equals to F. Next is select name from teacher. Now whenever you are asked to arrange in ascending or descending, we use order by. So order by date of join. If it is ascending, you don't have, even if you don't write ASC, then also it is correct. But if it is descending, you have to write DESC. Clear? Now the next question is display teacher's name, salary, age for male teachers only. So it is very easy. Only select name, comma, salary, comma, age from teacher where gender equals to male, M. Because in the question paper M is written, so we will write here M. The last one is you have to display a report where name. Now bonus is 10% of salary. So bonus is not given in the table. So new data you have to show. So here select name, then salary into 10% will be salary into, either you can write here 0.1 or you can write here 10/100. Both are correct. As the new data is, new information is as bonus. So new heading it will put bonus and then it will display the data. So as bonus from teacher, semicolon. This semicolon is to be written after each and every command because it shows the termination of the command. Now the last question is that file question, 5 marks. Here you will be asked to create and search. So here you can see internal choices given. So this is also you have done. Very easy it is. Simply always the dat file, if it is asked, first line is import pickle. Then if it is a function, we are writing def and name of the function. Then we are opening this. Now whichever file will be given to you in the question paper, here it is given book.dat. So here any object name you can write f equals to open book.dat. Now whenever they will ask you to create, then AB mode you will write, and when they will ask you to search or count, then RB mode you have to write, read mode. So here you will simply ask the book number, you will take all the details, and we will use dump to write in the file. So in the separate video we have already discussed all the dat file questions. So this answer you already know. And the next part 2 is to count records here, sorry, and return the books as per the condition. So here same thing you have to do. You have to write def here, and then you will open the file in RB mode. You have to count. So one count equals to 0 and num equals to 0. Now here try and accept why we were writing, otherwise end of the file it was showing error. So we have to use in try while true till the records are there. It will just simply one by one record it will load, and then it will check the author and it will count as per the author. Clear? Here whatever author will be passed, that it will check and then it will count. So this is your dat file question. Now in OR you are having a choice here in which student.dat file is given, and you have to read contents of the student and display those students whose percentage is above 75. So this question also you have done. Only you will open the file in read mode, and a counter you will use, since they have given here count. Here they have given count records. You can display also directly and count also. Both the things we will do. So here you can see the answer. We will always in dat file the first line is import pickle. In CSV file first line is import CSV. Then function, so def count record. Then we will open the file. So f equals to open, name of the file. Now if they ask you to create, then it is AB mode, append mode, and B is for binary, and read and binary because it is a binary file and you are reading and you are searching a record. Then count equals to 0 for counting. You can use your num, any variable you can use. Now try you have used, so that end of the file it does not show any error. And while true, then one by one file you are loading it, and you are checking here if the third column you can see here admission, name and percentage. So this will be 0, this is 1, this is 2. So here the 2 means the third record you are checking. So column you are checking. So third column is percentage here. If it is greater than 75, then you are displaying the data as well as you are counting. So to display, you can use here rec 0, rec 1, rec 2. It will display with the separator tab, and then you are counting it, and at the end you have to return. If they ask you to return, you can return. If they ask you to display, then here you can write print now. Okay, like here it is written that display the number of students. So directly also you could have written here the total number of students who have got percentage greater than 75 is num. So print command also you could have used. Both are correct. So return also you can write, or print also you can write. So this is the end of your CBSE paper. Now you have already solved the complete CBSE paper in 5 videos. Now go through each and every video nicely, and then whatever doubts you are having, just discuss your doubts, so that before your board exam you are well prepared for your board exam. So this is the paper given by CBSE sample paper. Now this is one sample paper. Like this I will try to make videos on many sample papers for practice. So you just follow and you just go through all the videos, and I will be loading many more videos where many more sample papers will be there. So whenever you are having your exam, CBSE will give you the date sheet. You will be prepared nicely by solving all these sample papers. So all the best for your board exams. Thank you. Have a nice day.